Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I share stir-fried shrimp with cashew nuts. It is recommended to buy larger cashew nuts. Particles are uniform in size and complete. Cashew nuts with a bad smell, do not buy. Light color. This time, it is more convenient to use refrigerated shrimp to make. Do not soak in water to thaw, it will affect the taste and texture. Thawing at room temperature is sufficient. Ingredients are carrots, celery, garlic, shallots, ginger. Process the cashews first. Wash the cashews. Scoop up, drain. Boil a liter of water. Add a can of soda water to make the cashews more crunchy. Add a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt. When it boils, add the cashew nuts and cook for 2 minutes. Scoop up, drain. The amount of oil should be enough to cover the cashews. Raise the oil temperature to 120 degrees, not too high. The oil temperature rises to 120 degrees, turn to low heat. Add cashews. Use low heat to fry the cashew nuts dry. Stir occasionally to avoid sticking. Takes about 10 minutes. Be patient and don't start a fire. Otherwise, the water has not been dried, and the surface has turned black. The less air bubbles, the water is almost dry. At this time, the cashew nuts are also significantly lighter. Do not fry too dark, it will darken noticeably after cooling. Scoop up, drain. Cool it with a fan. Set aside, spare. Season the shrimp after thawing. Add a teaspoon of salt and rub lightly. Effective in removing mucus. Wash it clean. Dry with kitchen paper. Seasoning: 1/3 teaspoon sugar, 1/3 teaspoon salt, pinch pepper. Mix well. Add a small amount of protein. Depending on the amount of shrimp, add the right amount of protein. Mix well. Add 1½ teaspoon cornstarch. Mix well. Add a tablespoon of oil. Mix well. It is recommended to marinate for more than 15 minutes. Chop up the other ingredients. Use the tender inner part of the celery. The rough ones on the outside can be used to make red wine boiled beef. The link in the upper right corner can review the production method. This part is tender and delicious. Tear away the rough fibers. The fiber is very tough and affects the taste. Wash clean. Cut the wider part. 欢迎来到求其主的频道。Peel the carrots. Cut it into a rhombus. Cut it open. Split in two. Thinly sliced. Don't cut it too thick. It's hard to cook. Thinly sliced ginger. Thinly sliced garlic and shallots. Set aside, spare. After the cashew nuts are blown and cooled, they become darker. Everyone should pay attention to this. Just listen to the sound to know the effect. I will try it for you. Very satisfied with the effect. Easy to prepare sauces. Half teaspoon sugar. Half tablespoon oyster sauce. Pinch pepper. Half tablespoon Shaoxing wine. Small amount of sesame oil. A teaspoon cornstarch. A tablespoon of water. Mix well. Turn on stove. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add shrimp. Fry for 40 seconds on high heat. Turn off the fire, pick up. Sauté the ingredients. Add celery and carrots. Add a pinch of salt. Add a little water. After the celery turns color, add shrimp. Stir fry evenly. Add sauce. Stir fry evenly. Add appropriate amount of cashew nuts. Stir well and serve. Turn off the fire. Stir-fried shrimp with cashew nuts completed. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press notification bell. Never miss a video update. Thank you all.